Hello guys, welcome back to the Python series. So in this series, as in the first video, we have learned about the modules and the PIP, that's the pip. So in this second video, we will be running our first Python program and we'll see all the basics of Python. So be with me, continue the journey, be consistent, and let's all together be a professional in Python. So now firstly, you have to come to Google and type Google Colab. So we'll be performing a programming in the Google Colab. So click on the Google Colab and the second link you find over here, click on it. And here, as I have already have the account of Google Colab, so I will be getting the previous accounts I have created here, but you will get the option to log in with your Gmail account, and you will be directed to this page over here. And here, if you can see over here in the right side, there is RAM and disk. Here you will get a connect button. When you firstly use Google Colab, you have to click on the connect button so that it allocates the RAM and disk for you for your particular programming. So don't forget this step, guys, because it's quite important. Uh, Click on the connect button and it will be assigned. Okay, it will take some time. Have some patience. Okay. So once it's done, you'll be allocated with this page and you can do perform your code or text. Hope you remember yesterday's topic, that is the modules and pip. If you remember, it's quite good. If you don't remember, go and check out the previous video. So now today in this video, we will be typing a first Python program. So usually in every language, whenever we type the first program, it will be of the hello world, right? So here also, let's type the hello world. So to type something, you need to type over here print, then the round braces, parenthesis. Then you can either use single quotes or double quotes. There is no, in Python, there is no such restriction that you have to use a particular double. You can either use single or double. If you are using single, then hello world, and you can press on this icon over here and you will be getting the hello world printed. The same thing if I had this and thing P, you will get output. So there is neither any of the problem. You can use either double quote or single. They're not restricted to use only these double quotes like we have in Java and other languages. So next, once you got to know about the printing thing, okay, now if you want to print anything in the script, you have to do print statement over here, then the round braces or the parenthesis, then either single quote or double quote. You can place whatever the text you're having and the run button. Okay, so you got about the print statement. Now, secondly, I will tell you about the comment lines. So comment lines come into picture over here. So let me take you all to the comment lines. Let me comment. So what are these comment lines? So usually whenever the comment lines come to our mind, what do you think by comment? You can see in our YouTube, if there is some video and you comment down below, we are having comments, right? What is comments? Sharing your experience of that video, or how you like the video or you dislike the video. You will share your experience to that particular user. But in Python, whenever there is a code written, if suppose I wrote a code now and after 6 months I return back to the code, I would have forgot what was the code, what is all this, what I have written. So in order to make you remember this, or for a particular user who is using your code, so that he should understand what does this particular, suppose a person who does not know Python gets this print hello world. He doesn't know what is this, what is print world, what does he written. In order that person should get to know what it is, we specify comment line. So these comment lines are do not run in a program. Okay, keep in mind what they do not run in the program. So they do not run in a program firstly. So now, and we use the hashtag. You remember, hope you all know hash. So we use the hash over here. Then we type the particular command, whatever you need, let it be anything XYZ. So I will show you how it actually works. So shift and 3 for your convenience, shift and 3. Then this, you can see the green color over there. It's in green. So once you type, suppose you can type the below statement, the below statement is about is about the print and Python. Python, which print the hello world. Tab will not start from here. Okay, it will come. It will not start from here. It will start from here. It will not consider this particular line. But whenever you give your particular code to another user, or if you have forgot what you have written, you can check with this. See, now I press run and only hello world is printed. This is not printed. If I had removed this hash over here, show me a error. See, got an invalid syntax error. As I have having this as a problem, right? So same thing was there. That's what's the use of comment line. Comment lines are not included in a code, and they are used to remember the past code you have written, or you can make others understand what this particular code is about. Okay. Hope you got what is called comment lines over here. So one more special thing which I want to tell you all. Now I will remove this hash over here. This is the shortcut key which I want to tell you all. Firstly, whenever if you want to comment out multiple lines, just select that lines, and you have to press Control and forward slash. These are commented out. Forward slash for your convenience. See, this is the forward slash. Hope I want to get the deep basics. So even if a person doesn't know what is forward slash, hope he knows this. This is forward slash over here, and these are the backward slashes. So what you have to press over there, Control and forward slash. Forward slash. Okay. So shortcut, let me write it over here. Shortcut key is the control plus the forward slash. So guys, what you have to do, and if you want to remove these comment lines, same thing again, control and the forward slash. See, it's removed over there. You want to remove this. So if you want, what did I tell? Let me repeat it again. If you want shortcut key to comment down multiple lines of your code, you can select the particular lines and then control forward slash. So it will be commented. If we run this, will not get anything over there as they are comment lines. And if you want to remove it, again control and forward slash, it's removed over there. Only for a particular line, then hash is used. Hope you got what are comment lines. And this was in modern IDEs, we have this control and the forward slash. But in older IDEs, there was a method which is also important. I consider telling it to you so that if they ask in any of the interviews or other questions, you should know that. You can either use the triple quotes over here, 1, 2, and 3, and then 1, 2, and 3. The start 3 quotes and the at the end 3. Okay? Single, sorry, 3 quotes, and then run it. This whole thing will be considered as the comment lines. Okay. This whole thing will be considered the comment lines. If I remove it over here, and if I place it here, if I run now, the hello world is printed. This is the comment line. Similarly, if you want multiple line print hello world, I can write multiple things. Let it be anything XYZ, anything. And lastly, if I place the table quotes over here and run, this whole thing will be considered as comment lines. Hope you all got this. And this is also quite important, guys. So hope you all are getting it. Now, let me go with, so let me also add this for your convenience in the notes over here. What is that? Triple quotes and in between text and triple quotes for multiple line comment. And you can even use the double quotes, right? Three double quotes and 3 double quotes at the end. So you got this procedure, right? So now I want to print my name Tejas Patwell between double quotes. Okay. So I tried it doing by this. Hello, I am, and here a double quote. And after the name, I place another double quote. And by running this code, I got an error. So it could not be printed like that. So here comes into place our next escape sequence character, that is the double quote escape sequence. Here, what you have to do, you have to place a backslash in before the first quote, first double quote, and after the end double. I mean before the end double. If you place, what did I say? Let me repeat it again. A backward slash before the first double quote and a backward slash before the last double quote. And then if I press the run button, I get my desired output. See, I got hello, I am Tejas Patil between the double quotes. Okay, so these are the escape sequence. Escape sequence, I hope you all got it. These are the one which does not represent itself. Here you can see this. This is not printed in the output. The backslash is not printed in the output. It does not represent itself, but it performs a particular task. The task is being performed. Here backslash n we had. It does not represent itself in the output, but it performs a task of printing whatever we have in the next line. So this is called as escape sequence. You can read over here. An escape sequence is a sequence of characters that we used inside a character or a string. See, we used it inside a character or a string and does not represent itself. Backslash n is not representing itself. That I mean, it is not presenting the output. It is not represented in the output, but it is converted into another character series of character. But it does a conversion which is required. So hope you all got the escape sequence character. Guys, we show you all another interesting thing with the print statement. Now, as I told you still now, in print, can't you need not only print the strings, you can also numbers, integers, etc. See, suppose if I printed over here, hey, and comma, 6, comma, 7, and if I press run over here, here you can see hey, 6 and 7 all are printed. So there is no specific restriction that you should print only the characters, string, etc. You can print anything you want. Now, one more thing I want to show you all here is print. And if I again type hey, comma, 6, comma, 7, and now comes, now give all your attention over here. Now we have this separate, this is a separator equal to double quote. Here, if I place any of the characters, suppose if I take, let me choose any one of the character. If I select this particular character, wait a minute. If I select this one and if I press enter, see what I got. See, I got the particular character which I had placed between these double quotes after each of the characters we have. See, after hey character, I got this, and then after this 6, I got it. After 7, I got it. And if not only this character, if I can place anything, see, I can place anything. See, if I press run, see, I got this. If I want to display star over there, and if I press enter, you can see star is being displayed. So hope you got it. It separates using a particular character. It separates the character, the content of a print using a specific character. The character we will specify. What is the syntax? You should type separate SCP, not the full word. SCP, then equal to, then double quotes. In between the double quotes, the character which we want to use. So next I want to show you all is print. Okay. 6, comma 7, and then as usual our separate equal to, hope you all remember, I am repeating it again, separate equal to double quotes, and in between you can place any of the character stars. Now next is the end equal to same double quotes and anything you want. Suppose I want to print 900, and now see what I will get. See, at end means at the end, at the last. So I got at the last 7900. The instead of, I think this will make you confused. If I place A over here, so you'll get confused. So let me place A. Now you see A 900. It printed the whatever I have given in the end, that is 900, at the end of this particular print statement. At the end, same syntax. You have, instead of separate, you have to write end equal to double quotes, and in between double quotes anything you want. Not only numericals, anything. If I want to print my name, Tejas Patil. Sorry. And if I press enter over here, can see it is printed in the last. So you got about the end also. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all understood what are these comments and the print statement and then the escape sequence characters. And if you are not understanding my series, please comment down below and I will improve myself. And if you liked it, please give a like and subscribe to the channel. And I will get to back to you all guys with the new content, and there will be a regular update on these videos. I hope you all follow this series. Thank you. Thank you guys.